Hey, what's up? We're trying to establish our...
What the fuck is this doing? Clean table.
Coffee? What is this? It's from DeLonghi. Let's try to make one coffee from DeLonghi machine. What's up guys? What's up guys? Hope you're doing well.
I cleaned your phone.
Thanks bro. Thanks bro, amazing.
Okay, today we'll make a Freddo Espresso.
Freddo Espresso. Have you heard it before? Comment.
No, I never heard about it before. So let's see how it tastes.
Comment. First put some water.
We're gonna make one. So you place some water here. Right.
You focus.
Coffee. Real life kitchen here.
Coffee, right?
Normal espresso machine.
Oh, fully froze. Amazing.
You missed it.
Wait, we need something. Right.
No, I know.
You know?
I know.
Right. Smells good, man. What is this? Grinded coffee or Nescafe?
It's grinded coffee. It's real beans.
Real beans.
This is 2 shots,
Okay.
approximately.
From the machine DeLonghi.
Yep.
You need to stamp it?
Yeah.
How do you do that?
Just this here.
Oh, it's inbuilt, right? So we take a look. Just stamp it.
We see you have. Alright, this one, the small cup.
Alright.
What do you think? This is 2?
I think it's 2
espressos.
deciliters. 2 centiliters, sorry.
This 2 espressos, eh?
Yeah,
Approximately.
yeah.
Just rinse it.
Right. You need paper? No? Nothing? Okay, so the machine is not ready yet. It's only put it inside.
It's ready because it's green.
Ah, it's ready. It's ready. We turned it on and it's ready. But we
Right.
haven't activated the coffee process yet. So, we place the cup.
And now you see. We'll turn it on. Come closer. It's very silent.
It is like that with espresso machines. Do we need the common one?
No, it's for the Freddo Espresso. No.
And do you stop whenever you want to?
Yeah. So probably it's gonna. Oh my God! It's almost.
Okay.
Almost.
It's gonna be difficult to take out without spinning though. Let's see.
Now sugar. If you want sugar in, you've got to put it now because it's. But then it's gonna spill, eh? Then it's gonna spill.
Let's see. Because the espresso is hot right now, perfect timing to put the sugar. So it melts and become evenly in our coffee drink.
Okay, we're gonna
I don't think it's gonna spill actually.
use a glass. Use a glass.
But our point as well is to try to minimize. Amazing.
Alright. 1 spoon of sugar. Why not?
We still need this. We put it back.
Yeah. We're gonna make 1 more after. Okay, stir it.
All right.
You wanna make. This is how it melts, you know, the sugar.
Mhm.
Now I'm gonna put ice. Boba pills, man. Dog pills.
Right.
Maybe one more over here.
It's a nice sound, right? Yeah. What are we doing, man?
We got the setup here. Look, we got the setup here, man. We're not using it.
Perfectly.
Okay, put some ice inside. Oh, we need to clean the floor after.
We need to clean the whole table again.
Okay.
Right. It's a nice sound, right?
This is to cool it down. Now you want the glass. We don't have any specific one for this. So
My obvious. It's a lot to make one coffee.
alright.
Smells amazing. I wish you guys were here right now.
Now you're gonna put it over here.
But the point, you see, is the same in both glass. It has coffee and it has ice. But the point why he is switching the glasses is because the previous glass was only to cool down the coffee. This coffee has to be enjoyed cold.
Exactly. Now the
Right.
straw.
Straw. Here you go.
There you go.
Here you go.
It's ready. You can enjoy your Freddo Espresso like you do in the summer
Here you go.
in some countries. Called Greece. Wanna taste it?
Go ahead. Smells good. Tasty?
Need more sugar. So
Yeah, sure.
remember to put sugar to your liking. Alright guys. We'll subscribe, you know.
Please.
Please. It's gonna, help us. But that's it.
Right. Okay. Hello again. Now we make
Ooh.
one more.
One more what?
One more Freddo Espresso.
This is part 2. I know you've been waiting for part 2. So don't worry about nothing, man. Until you put 2 doses of espresso coffee in your espresso machines, then you make basically a double doses of espresso. Alright, you want to make sure it hits down here. Alright.
Stop it. Stop it.
Oh yeah. That's good. Alright, now we're gonna do something, real slick. We're gonna move over here where we have a table set up. Without spilling, hopefully. Alright. Pour the espresso into a glass. Alright. See if that gets out. Alright. Now, put sugar. I'm just gonna pour it from the thing. You say stop, because this is gonna be for you.
All right. I said stop. I think I'm good.
You want some
Thank you.
sugar? Go for it.
I want some sugar because last part 1, if you saw that, guys, he said his coffee was a little bit. He could need it a little bit more sugar. So
Exactly.
I take experience from that.
So now you stir it while the sugar is in here, because you want the sugar to melt. You don't want to feel it on your tongue afterwards. That's the whole trick, basically. Don't you look at these other YouTubers, man, that makes this, fancy ass coffees, man. They don't taste good. The only coffee that tastes good is this one, the Greek one,
You should try it, guys.
the real one. Alright.
It's basically espresso, hot water.
Fill another glass with ice. Don't need too many. So now put ice in this one as well.
Oh, that's the secret, right? Why?
Because now you want to cool it down.
Damn.
Alright. So you cool it down, stir it until it gets cool. I don't know if you like the sound.
I do, man. Could be an introduction to a song,
Yeah. Stir it good because it's like it was boiling and now it's, below freezing. Maybe not below freezing, but pour it in here.
And you see, he stops the cubes from falling.
Some of them fell anyway.
Yeah, but the point is to stop them as well, because we don't want the cubes that already is hot.
Alright,
That's it.
it's ready to taste. Moment of the truth.
Good, bro.
It's good.
It's good.
It's good.
Perfect with the sugar. A little bit too many cubes. You know why? It might become too watery. You know what I'm saying? So be careful with the cubes as well. You need the balance.
Let it sit for 2 minutes and it's gonna be better.
Yeah.
That's it, guys. You know what to do, you know, and for sure, Kyrie is not the MVP this year. That's taken care of, you know. Giannis Antetokounmpo. That's it, man. Always,
it.
like forever.
Might be it, man. But let's see. It's not certain yet. Not anything is certain yet. And yet many are injured now. So you need to, you know, push the other guys up now. Let's see, guys. Kyrie.
What do you think? Bye, guys. Okay, behind the scenes.
Ta din telefon.
The struggle, man.
Ta din telefon.
What language do you speak?
Sorry, man.
Oh, it's some difficult stuff, man. Oh, it's filming now. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
Alright.
Okay, take it off. Take it off.
So this is what we try to do, you know. To
Guys, since we only have one camera right now, we need to use our personal phones. It might not be optimal, but that's what we can do now in order to show you more angles and more what we're doing more precisely. But at some point, we hopefully think that you will guys want to subscribe, and then we can invest in another camera. Could be amazing.
okay, so we need to clean all this stuff, you know, after a video.
Yeah.
So it's not just. And this is the trash, you know.
Pump it out.
The real trash.
Pump it out.
There's nothing hidden here in this fucking.
In place, man.
In this channel.
This machine, do you need to turn it off or it's already turned off?
I turned it off.
Okay, do you need to refill the water? There's water inside, right?
Yeah, the tank on the back.
I see. That's still enough for you for tomorrow, man.
Yeah. You gotta take this out.
Right, and
Cause-
clean, that's right.
Cause
That's why maybe the water is leaking.
yeah, if you don't clean this daily,
I see it.
water is leaking.
You need to clean this table as well. You know, stuff happens. Especially you saw that when he poured the first glass with the cube, it made a splash. Splish. Can you open this for me, please? Then maybe I can take this table and just do a quick run.
Oh my god, look at it.
Yeah. It's coffee, man. But it doesn't have the nice color. Maybe you want to do one more?
Nah, it's okay.
It's okay. This
Okay,
here.
there's one spot. Always keep these ones at your home. Multiple purpose. Multiple surfaces, multiple purpose.
I need, man. It's a good one actually.
And you just throw them after.
And please over here, this row. See? Delicious.
Delicious, man. Smelling good and everything.
Delicious.
Alright.
Okay.
So,
The
last
back
part,
part?
fill with new ice cubes, man.
Oh yeah. And the backboard as well, bro. Cutting board, sorry, not the
Yeah.
backboard. I was thinking some NBA stuff here, but you were saying Giannis is going to have the MVP, but we know by both fact that it has to be the best team. Milwaukee is not the best team, bro. So I don't think Giannis is gonna be, man.
We'll see. Copa?
So you think Mr. Harden?
I think that the NBA is not gonna give it to Giannis one more time because he already has 2 in a row. And these guys don't score, eh?
They did. This, I can't pronounce his name, man.
They score. Which one is which?
Mine is to left.
all the strongman that goes into creating a video.
And the fucking 2 coffees. After that, you might also clean these glasses, you know. It's also a thing.
Maybe we throw them out.